So crypto's crashing. And I know that a lot of you guys out there are probably wondering right now, well, how low can my coin go? How low is Bitcoin going to go? How low is Dogecoin going to go? I want to talk about that in this video. I got that question earlier on my live stream where I was talking about the crypto markets. And I want to take a deep dive into Dogecoin for all you Dogecoin holders out here today. As we are seeing some key levels lost here in the crypto space. But some positive news. Bitcoin just officially closed the CME gap. Are we getting a bounce here, or are we looking out for more levels below? Let's talk a little bit about it in this video, guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. Right now, Bitcoin is getting a slight bounce. I don't even want to call it a bounce. Back above 78K. If you just take a peek at what's going on for the price of BTC right now. Here are our weekly candles. They are low, falling lower. Looking at our daily candles, let me go ahead and show you guys this. This is a very red day for Bitcoin with 4 hours left. And really what I've been looking at mostly is this total market cap for cryptocurrency, which is falling below our March 2024 highs that we saw earlier before we had a new all-time high here in the end of 2024, right after we got our new crypto president. Now, you'd be thinking things should be bullish right now and altcoins are due, but Bitcoin dominance is still shooting up and our total market cap is falling lower than my last level that I had drawn. And there are other levels, guys, but this was the last area where I honestly wanted to see kind of a bottom. And here's the good news, guys. 6 days, 5 hours left on this weekly candle. This weekly candle could easily end up closing above this line. We could get this weekly candle bounce here, and maybe we do start heading back to the upside. The CME gap has officially been closed. Bitcoin came down to 77K, and it's like slightly recovering a little bit. But let's talk about Doge. How low can Dogecoin go? Well, if crypto keeps going lower and we see Bitcoin revisit let's say we revisit this 73, 71K level back to the March 2024 highs for Bitcoin, well, that's a little more downside for Bitcoin. That's a little more downside for the total market cap. That's a little more downside for Dogecoin. Dogecoin could easily hit down to 13 cents, and that could happen very quickly. And we might even see Dogecoin. Yes, it's real, guys. It's possible Dogecoin come back down to 5 cents again. That would be an 88% crash for Bitcoin. Does that mean that, or excuse me, for Dogecoin, does that mean that Dogecoin is done? I personally do not think so. I personally think that if you actually believe that the total market cap for cryptocurrency topped out at 3.75, and when I say topped out, I mean that the bull market ends right here, then maybe you're not looking at the same facts that I am. The facts that we have here right now in the crypto space and where the world is at when it comes to crypto is the world is more pro-crypto than it's ever been before. The president is a pro-crypto president. Dogecoin is not only the largest meme coin in the history of the world, but it also now has a government agency that is looking for fraud, waste, and abuse within the government, trying to save the U.S. government billions of dollars. And it could be controversial to some. It is certainly controversial to some. To some, they love it. But regardless, you have a literal government agency that is just going wild in finding billions of dollars to balance the budget. Named after what? Named after Dogecoin, the largest meme coin in the history of the world. So I believe that with the crypto narratives that we're looking at right now, there's a lot of negativity with the tariffs, with all these things, but I believe that the total market cap is going to head a lot higher. We need to kind of get out of the woods with this tariff talk. We need to get out of the woods with this trade war ideas. We need to also maybe get out of some of these other global conflicts that are going on. Maybe we're going to see resolve to those. Maybe we're not going to see resolve to those. So maybe we are. But there's a lot of things happening in the world right now, bringing a lot of uncertainty, not just to crypto. The traditional market is down. The S&P 500 is down. When the S&P 500 is down, then you know real craziness is going on. Historically, if you are buying the dips when the S&P 500 is down, you're going to do well in the long run. Historically, when you buy Bitcoin when it's down, you're going to do well in the long run. Historically, when you're getting into some of the bigger cryptocurrencies in this market, when the total market cap is down from its highs, and knowing that the world getting into crypto could send the total market cap to $10 trillion, $20 trillion one day. If Bitcoin flips gold one day, you could have a $1 million Bitcoin. That's a $15 trillion market cap for Bitcoin alone, maybe a $30 trillion market cap for crypto. When you understand all this, guys, you can't help but be bullish on Doge. So while we have the 13-cent target as a possibility, while we have the possibility for Dogecoin to come down to 5.8 cents or somewhere down to that 5-cent range, well, that's all possible. I truly do look at all of these dips, as I've always historically done, as buying opportunities. Does it hurt to be holding a Dogecoin if you were buying up at 48 cents and you are just holding this 87% crash? If you only bought here and you don't buy down here, and in fact you sell down here, that's going to be very painful compared to the person that bought here, 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 and then sells up here. That's the person that's successful. You want to be on the right side of things, guys. Buying low and selling high is the way to do it historically. These are lows. Could it come lower? Yes, it could. If it does, what do? I buy the dip. I believe that we've still got more bull market ahead of us. Nothing has changed about that inherently. In fact, things are really only getting more bullish for crypto over time, tariffs aside. And that's the way I look at the market. In the meantime, there's insane, crazy volatility, which makes for a lot of fun when it comes to trading. If you want to trade with us here on the Crypto Report, well, you can sign up for Blowfin using our link in the description down below. Right now, there's a $5.6 million trading competition going on, where when you enter in this, you get a chance to win some of that money. You have a chance to win a computer from Apple, an Apple Vision Pro, a Rolex, all these cool things. And there's an up to $5,000 deposit bonus when you sign up using our link. Guys, I like trading. Trading, when you make profits trading, you have more money to ape in. And not even ape in, just steadily DCA. Aping in isn't even the way. That's a good, fun slang. But I like DCAing, steady DCAing in over time. Look at all these discounts right now on Dogecoin, on all these other altcoins. We've talked about Jasmine. We've talked about some of these other things, guys. There's a lot of great plays in crypto. We're going to keep the content coming. If you enjoy crypto content, well, then follow us for more content here on this channel. That's all I have in this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. DCA HODL. I'll see you in the next one, guys. I got 2 videos for you right here. If you want to check them out, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.